Hey everyone, today we are diving deep into a comprehensive guide on how to successfully get your first clients and master the art of pricing for your business growth. If you are ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, hit the subscribe button because we've got a step-by-step breakdown coming your way. So let's get started. Work for free to build your portfolio. Alright, let's kick things off with the first crucial step, the concept of working for free. I know, it might sound counterintuitive at first, but trust me, this is your secret weapon for building a killer portfolio. Picture this, confidently walking into local businesses, offering your services for free, and turning those opportunities into game-changing success stories. Working for free serves as a strategic investment in your future success. It is not about undervaluing your skills, rather, it is a calculated move to showcase what you bring to the table. By offering your services to local businesses, you not only gain practical experience but also create tangible results that can be showcased in your portfolio. Imagine the impact of transforming a struggling local business online presence or social media strategy. These success stories become powerful testimonials and case studies that speak volumes about your capabilities. As you build this portfolio of achievements, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the eyes of potential clients. This step is about more than just the immediate gains. It's about laying the foundation for your business credibility and reputation. As you deliver exceptional results through your pro bono work, word-of-mouth marketing kicks in, and your reputation as a skilled professional starts to precede you. So, embrace the idea of working for free as a strategic move to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. The experiences and success stories you gather during this phase will become the cornerstone of your portfolio, setting the stage for attracting paying clients and establishing your business as a force to be reckoned with. Stay tuned for more insights as we unravel the secrets of successfully launching your business. As you embark on the journey of working for free, consider honing in on specific services like social media marketing, paid ads, or email marketing. By choosing focus areas, you not only showcase your expertise but also offer genuine value to local businesses. It is crucial to be transparent about your learning journey, emphasizing that you are committed to delivering results and continuously refining your skills. Let us take, for example, transforming a local ice cream shop into a social media sensation. Imagine creating engaging content, running targeting ads, and cultivating a vibrant online community for this business. As you navigate this process, you are not only gaining hands-on experience in a particular service, but also creating a tangible success story that speaks to the business owner's goals. Transparency about your learning journey is key. Communicate openly with a local business, explaining that you are in the process of expanding your skills and building a portfolio. This honesty fosters trust and allows the business owner to understand the value you bring even at this stage of your entrepreneurial endeavor. Once you have successfully executed a project and transformed a local business, you have not just gained experience but also earned a golden ticket to approach the next business with a compelling pitch. Your portfolio now boasts real-world examples of your capabilities, making it easier to convey the value you can provide to prospective paying clients. This strategic approach to working for free sets the stage for a progression in your entrepreneurial journey. Stay tuned for further insights as we navigate the intricacies of turning these initial experiences into a thriving business model. The journey has just begun, and there is a wealth of knowledge waiting to be uncovered. Now, as you transition to approaching business strategically, the key lies in identifying those that align with your expertise and services. Craft a compelling pitch that not only showcases the value you can provide, but also elucidates why you are offering your services for free. It is crucial to remember that, at this stage, your focus is on building relationships and a robust portfolio that will be the bedrock of your future success. Begin by conducting thorough research to identify businesses that could benefit the most from your specific skill set. Whether it is a local restaurant in need of a revamped social media strategy or an online boutique seeking assistance with paid advertising, pinpoint businesses that align with the services you have honed during your initial foray into working for free. Crafting a compelling pitch is an art in itself. Clearly communicate the unique value you bring to the table and why you have chosen to offer your services for free. Emphasize the tangible results you have achieved in your previous projects, illustrating the transformative impact you can have on their business. Remember, This phase is not just about providing a service, it is about building a lasting relationships. Your sincerity, enthusiasm, and dedication to delivering value will set the tone for a collaborative partnership. Businesses are more likely to engage when they see the authentic passion you have for contributing to their success. As you embark on this strategic approach, keep in mind that each interaction is an opportunity to showcase your skills, learn from real-world challenges, and solidify your reputation in the local business community. Stay tuned for more insights as we unravel the intricacies of approaching businesses strategically and turning these engagements into a thriving business. The entrepreneurial journey is an ongoing adventure, and there is so much more to discover. Indeed, think of this space as crucial investment in yourself and the future of your business. As you consistently deliver tangible results, those businesses become more than just a project. They become your living testimonials. Your growing portfolio becomes a powerful tool, testament to your capabilities, and a key asset when you eventually make the transition from offering free services to charging for your expertise. Consider this initial phase as a period of apprenticeship, whether you are not just acquiring practical skills, but also cultivating relationships and gathering evidence of your proficiency. The businesses you work with during this stage become advocates for your abilities, and their success stories with your involvement become compelling narratives in your portfolio. As you navigate this journey, keep a keen eye on the impact you are making. The positive changes you bring to the businesses you work with are not just valuable experiences, they are the foundations upon which you will build a reputation for excellence. Businesses that once benefited from your free services will become champions of your work, willingly testifying to the value you provided. When the time comes to transition from offering free services to charging for your expertise, your portfolio filled with success stories and testimonials becomes a persuasive instrument. It is a visual representation of your journey, growth, and the real-world impact you have had on businesses. Potential clients are not just investing in a service. They are investing in a demonstrated ability to drive positive change. So, view this initial phase as an integral part of your entrepreneurial evolution. Embrace the investment in yourself, the businesses you work with, and the invaluable experiences you gain. The payoff lies not just in the immediate results but in the long-term credibility and success of your burgeoning business. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the secrets of entrepreneurial success. Harness the power of referrals for sustainable growth. Moving on to step 2, the power of referrals. While cold outreach and paid traffic have their place, referrals stand as the holy grail of client acquisition. Leveraging the trust you have already built with one business, when they recommend your services to others, doors start flying open, paving the way for a network of connections that can significantly impact the growth of your business. Referrals are akin to a ripple effect, starting with the positive relationships you have cultivated through your initial free services. When a satisfied client refers your business to others, it carries a weight of credibility and trust that is unmatched. A recommendation is a testament to the quality of your work, making potential clients more inclined to engage with your services. To harness the power of referrals, actively foster positive relationships with the businesses you have worked with. Ensure that they are not only satisfied with the results, but also delighted by the overall experience of working with you. A happy client is not just a one-time success. It is a potential advocate who can open doors to a broader client base. Encourage satisfied clients to share their experiences with others in their network. This can take the form of testimonials, online reviews, or direct referrals. The authenticity of these recommendations adds immense value, as they come from real businesses with tangible improvements attributed to your services. Remember, the strength of referrals lies not just in quantity but in quality. Few high-quality referrals from businesses that have experienced significant growth through your expertise can be more impactful than a multitude of leads from other sources. It is about creating a network of satisfied clients who become your brand ambassadors. As you navigate this step, keep in mind that referrals are a testament to the trust you have earned. They are a powerful endorsements of your skills, reliability, and the positive impact you can have on businesses. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the secrets of effective client acquisition and business growth. Now, let us dive into the crucial aspect of pricing. Resist the temptation to fall into the trap of merely adding a margin to your expenses. Pricing is not solely about covering costs, it is about the value you provide to your clients. If, for instance, you have generated $20,000 in business for your client, aim to charge at least half of that. It is a win-win situation that ensures both you and your clients reap the rewards of the value you have delivered. The concept of value-based pricing is a game changer in the world of business. Instead of tethering your pricing slowly to your cost, it ties directly to the impact and results you bring to your clients. If your services contribute significantly to a client's revenue growth, it is only fair to align your pricing with the value generated. Consider the example of generating $20,000 in business for a client. Charging at least half of that amount not only reflects the tangible results you have achieved, but also positions your services as an investment rather than an expense. Clients are more likely to see the value in paying for your expertise when they can directly correlate it with their business success. This approach transforms your pricing strategy from a mere transaction to a strategic partnership. It fosters a mutual understanding that the success of your clients is directly tied to the success of your business. Aligning your pricing with the value you provide creates a win-win scenario where both parties have a vested interest in the positive outcomes of collaboration. As you navigate the intricacies of pricing, keep the focus on the value you bring to the table. By charging based on the impact of your services, you not only position your business for growth, but also create a foundation for long-term, mutually beneficial relationships with your client. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the secrets of successful business pricing. Value-based pricing hinges on a deep understanding of the impact your services have on your client business. If your work significantly contributes to their revenue or growth, your pricing should be a direct reflection of the value. In essence, it isn't merely about the hours you put in, it is about the tangible and transformative results you deliver. This shift in perspective is fundamental to value-based pricing. It requires a keen awareness of the outcomes your services generates for your client. If, for instance, your digital marketing strategies lead to a substantial increase in their customer base or drive revenue growth, your pricing should align with the quantifiable value you have added to their business. By anchoring your pricing to the impact of your services, you move beyond a transactional relationship with your clients. It becomes a strategic partnership where both parties share the success and growth generated by your collaboration. Clients are more likely to see the investment in your services as a wise and profitable decision when they can directly link it to tangible results. This approach also emphasizes the importance of clear communication about the value you provide. During negotiations or discussions about pricing, articulate the specific outcomes and benefits your clients can expect from your services. This transparency builds trust and positions your business as a reliable partner dedicated to their success. As you integrate value-based pricing into your business model, remember that it is an ongoing process of understanding, delivering, and communicating the impact of your services. By consistently aligning your pricing with the value you bring, you not only enhance your business's profitability but also forge lasting and mutually beneficial relationships with your clients. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to uncover the nuances of effective pricing strategies. A quick word of caution. Running at a loss is a possibility, especially in the early stages of your business. It is crucial to be mindful, particularly if you have a team to support. While your expenses might be $1,000 to create a logo, if your client values it as $500, finding that sweet spot between covering costs and aligning with your client's perceived value becomes paramount. The delicate balance between expenses and perceived value is a common challenge, especially for entrepreneurs navigating the complexities of pricing. While it is essential to understand the value you bring and aim for fair compensation, it is equally crucial to recognize the market's perception and your client's budget constraints. Running at a loss, even temporarily, can be a strategic move to build your portfolio, gain valuable testimonials, and establish a reputation for delivering exceptional value. However, it is essential to assess the long-term sustainability of such an approach, especially when considering the financial well-being of your business and team. In situations where the client's perceived value is lower than your actual cost, explore ways to optimize your processes or communicate the additional value they receive. This might involve emphasizing the long-term benefits, unique expertise, or exclusive features that set your services apart from alternatives. Remember, the goal is not just to cover costs, but to build a thriving and sustainable business. As you navigate the complexities of pricing, continuously evaluate the balance between providing value to your clients and ensuring the financial health of your business. Stay tuned for more insights as we delve further into the intricacies of effective business strategies. To mitigate potential losses, key strategy is to focus on optimizing your processes and finding cost-effective solutions, especially in the early stages of your business where resources might be limited. Honing in on efficiency and exploring budget-friendly alternatives becomes crucial. As your business grows, you will gain a clearer understanding of your unique value proposition, empowering you to refine your pricing strategy with greater precision. Optimizing processes involves streamlining your workflow, leveraging technology, and identifying areas where efficiency gains can be made. This not only helps in delivering services more effectively, but also contributes to cost savings. For instance, investing in tools that enhance productivity or automating repetitive tasks can significantly impact your bottom line. In parallel, exploring cost-effective solutions without compromising quality is key. This might involve negotiating favorable deals with suppliers, utilizing freelancers for specific tasks, or identifying alternative tools and resources that offer value at a lower cost. By strategically managing your expenses, you create a more sustainable foundation for your business. As your business evolves and you accumulate more data on your client interactions and the outcomes of your services, you will gain valuable insights into your unique value proposition. This understanding becomes instrumental in refining your pricing strategy to align more closely with the perceived value your business delivers. Remember, the journey toward a well-tailored pricing strategy is iterative. Continuously assess your processes, explore cost-effective alternatives, and leverage the evolving understanding of your value proposition to fine-tune your approach. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the dynamics of effective business strategies. And there you have it, your ultimate guide on how to successfully get your first clients and set prices that propel your business forward. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in and see you in our next video.